And I 100% agree with that. But I think what most people miss is that financial freedom isn't a number in a bank account. I repeat this often. It's not a number in the bank account. That's such an old paradigm. Oh, when I have $1 million in the bank account, I'll be free, or $5 million, or whatever. And then they spend 20, 30 years trying to get to freedom, but they gave up 30 years to get there. Financial freedom is cash flow. Financial freedom to me is I've got more money coming in every month than I have going out. It's semi-passive or passive or leveraged. And at that point, and I remember when this happened to me, I can start being who I truly am. I don't give an F what people think of me. I can say the things that are meaningful to me that I need to say. I don't have to follow along any narratives. Our country here in Canada changed. A couple years ago, we all know what happened. I just got up and left and we lived in Mexico. I don't need to follow the narratives. I don't need people to like what I have to say. If you have more, it changes the game. It puts the power back in your corner. But if you're dependent, if you have to trade your time for money, you're dependent on a paycheck, then oftentimes you will do things you don't want to do, listen to people you don't want to listen to, say things that you don't want to say and act out of alignment with who you are, having to try to fit some expectation that someone else or some organization or some company or something has of you. And you have to do it because if you don't, your survival is at risk. Money equals survival because it buys us food, it buys us shelter. So to me, financial freedom was never, oh, I'll just buy, jets and be able to travel the world. That is just a perk of it. I mean, I don't have a jet, but I bought my dream car. That's just a perk of it, but it was never the goal in the first place. That's just the excess. I wanted to be able to control my time, go places I want to go, say the things I want to say, do the things I want to do with the people I want to do it with, and not have anyone tell me I can't. I think that's what we all want. And so it's not a number in the bank account because I see a lot of people with a bigger number in their bank account, yet they're still not free in any capacity by any definition. They got to show up some way. They got to show up to people that they don't want to. I have big responsibilities. We have a community. We got hundreds of people I'm responsible for. We have a team of 8+ now. I have responsibilities, but it's a choice. I can't think of anything else I'd want to do than what I'm doing right now.